Welcome to YouTube channel. Myself P. Tirupati, lecturer in mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. Today topic Newton backward divided difference. Working rule. Step 1. The step size h for the backward difference table can be calculated as h equals to xi plus 1 minus xi for all I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Step 2. F of xi, xi plus 1 is equal to f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi is equal to delta f of xi by h. Step 3. Second divided difference. F of xi, xi plus 1, xi plus 2 equals to f of xi plus 1, f of xi plus 2 minus f of xi, xi plus 1 by xi plus 2 minus xi is equal to delta square f of xi. Step 4. The process is continued until the desired nth divided difference is obtained. Step 5. According to Newton backward divided difference table, value of xi, value of f of xi, first divided difference, value of xi, f of xi, first divided difference del f of xi, second divided difference del square f of xi, nth divided difference del power n f of xi. Here xi values x0, x1, so on xn. Value of f of xi, f of x0, f of x1, so on f of xn. Del f of x0 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x0 by h. Del f of x1 is equal to f of x2 minus f of x1 by h. Dash dash. Del f of xn is equal to f of xn minus f of xn minus 1 by h. Second divided difference. Del square f of x0 equals to del f of x1 minus del f of x0 by h. Del square f of x1 is equal to del f of x2 minus del f of x1 by h. So on. Del square f of xn is equal to del f of xn minus del f of xn minus 1 divided by h, and the divided difference del power n f of xn is equal to del power n minus 1 f of xn minus del n minus 1 f of xn minus 1 divided by h. Step 6. Newton backward divided difference formula. We have Pn of x is equal to f of xn plus hs del f of xn plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of xn plus so on, where s equals to x minus xn by h. Repeat once again formula. Newton backward divided difference formula. We have Pn of x is equal to f of xn plus hs del f of xn plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of x plus so on, where s equals to x minus xn by h. Next, one more problem. Use the Newton backward difference formula to construct interpolating polynomials of degree 1, 2 and 3 for the following data. Approximate the specified value using each of the polynomials. A bit f of 0.43. If f of 0 is equal to 1, f of 0.25 equals to 1.64872. F of 0.5 is equal to 2.7828. F of 0.75 equals to 4.48169. Given x0 equals to 0, x1 is equal to 0.25, x2 equals to 0.5 and x3 equals to 0.75, and also given x0 equals to 1, f of x1 equals to 1.64872, f of x2 equals to 2.71828 and f of x3 equals to 4.48169. Therefore, h equals to xi plus 1 minus xi for all I equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. H equals to, put I equals to 0, h equals to x1 minus x0 equals to 0.25 minus 0 equals to 0.25. By using Newton backward divided difference table, xi f of xi first divided difference bracket lo del f of xi, second divided difference del square f of xi, third divided difference del cube f of xi. Here xi values 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. F of xi values 1, 1.64872, 2.71828, 4.48169. First divided difference 1.64872 minus 1 divided by h 0.25 equals to 2.59488. 2.71828 minus 1.64872 divided by 0.25 equals to 4.27824. 4.48169 minus 2.71828 divided by 0.25 equals to 7.05364. Second divided difference 4.27824 minus 2.59488 divided by 0.25 equals to 6.73344. 7.05364 minus 4.27824 divided by 0.25 equals to 11.1016. Third divided difference 11.1016 minus 6.73344 divided by 0.25 equals to 17.47264. According to Newton backward divided difference formula, we have Pn of x is equal to f of xn plus hs by 1 factorial del f of xn plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of xn. Therefore, s equals to x minus xn by h equals to 0.43 minus 0.75 by 0.25 equals to minus 1.25. In this table, xn equals to 0.75, f of xn equals to 4.48169, del f of xn is equal to 7.05364, del square f of xn is equal to 11.1016, del cube f of xn equals to 17.47264. ఫార్ములాలో ఫస్ట్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. తర్వాత n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే థర్డ్ డివైడెడ్ డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1, p1 of x ఈక్వల్స్ టు f of xn plus hs del f of xn. P1 put x equals to 0.43. Put x equals to 0.43. P1 of 0.43 equals to f of xn 4.48169 plus h 0.25 into s minus 1.28 del f of xn 7.05364. P1 of 0.43 equals to 2.2245252. For n equals to 2, p2 of x equals to p1 of x plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn. Put x equals to 0.43. p2 of 0.43 equals to p1 of x ante 2.2245252 plus 0.25 whole square by 2 s into s plus 1 minus 1.28 into minus 1.28 plus 1 into del square f of xn 11.1016. After simplifying, we get the value p2 of 0.43 equals to 2.348863120. For n equals to 3, p3 of x equals to p2 of x plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of xn. Put x equals 0.43. p3 of 0.43 equals to p2 of 0.43 2.34886312 plus h cube by 3 factorial 0.25 whole cube by 3 factorial 6 minus 1.28 into minus 1.28 plus 1 into minus 1.28 plus 2 into 17.47264. After simplifying, we get the value p3 of 0.43 equals to 2.360604734. Next, leave it to f of 0.25 if f of minus 1 is equal to 0.8619948. F of minus 0.5 equals to 0.958020009. F of 0 is equal to 1.0986123. F of 0.5 equals to 1.2943767. Given x0 equals to minus 1, x1 equals to 0.5, x2 equals to 0, x3 equals to 0.5. Also given f of x0 equals to 0.8619948, f of x1 equals to 0.958020009, f of x2 equals to 1.0986123, f of x3 equals to 1.2943767. 2943767. Therefore h equals to xi plus 1 minus xi for all I equals to 0, 1, 2, so on. H equals to x1 minus x0 equals to minus 0.5 plus 1 equals to 0.5. According to Newton backward divided difference table, xi f of xi, first divided difference, second divided difference, third divided difference. Xi values minus 1, minus 0.5, 0, 0.5. F of xi 0.86199480, 0.95802009, 1.0986123, 1.2943767. First divided difference 0.95802009 minus 0.86199480 divided by 0.5. Delta f of x0 equals to 0.19205058. Next, 1.0986123 minus 0.95802009 divided by 0.5 equals to 0.28118442. 1.2943767 minus 1.0986123 divided by 0.5 equals to 0.39152800. Next, second divided difference 0.82, 0.2811 8442 minus 0.19205058 divided by 0.5 equals to 0.178266768. 0.391528800 minus 0.281184442 divided by 0.5 is equal to 0.2206886. Third divided difference 0.2206886 minus 0.178266768 divided by 0.5 equals to 0.08484216. Here in this table, xn equals to 0.5, f of xn 1.2943767, del f of xn equals to 0.391528800, del square f of xn is equal to 0.22066886, del cube f of xn is equal to 0.08484216. According to Newton backward divided difference formula, we have Pn of x is equal to f of xn plus hs del f of xn plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of xn. Therefore, s equals to x minus xn by h equals to 0.25 minus 0.5 divided by 0.5 equals to minus 0.5. ఫార్ములాలో ఫస్ట్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1, తర్వాత n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2, n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఫర్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1, p1 ఆఫ్ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు f ఆఫ్ xn ప్లస్ hs del f of xn. Put x equals to 0.25, p1 of 0.25 equals to f of xn, the f of 0. Okay. f of xn 1.2943767 plus h 0.5 into s minus 0.5 into del f of xn 0.3915288. After simplifying, we get the value p1 of 0.25 is equal to 1.1964945 for n equals to 2. p2 of x is equal to p1 of x plus h by 2 h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn. Put x equals to 0.25. p2 of 0.25 is equal to 1.1964945 plus 0.5 whole square by 2 factorial minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 del square f of xn 0.22068876. After simplifying, we get the value p2 of 0.25 is equal to 1.189597976 for n equals to 3. p3 of x is equal to p2 of x plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 s plus 2 del cube f of xn. p3 of 0.25 equals to p2 of x 1.89597976 plus h cube by 3 factorial. Here h 0.5 whole cube, h 0.5 whole cube divided by 3 factorial under 6 into s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 s minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 into minus 0.5 plus 2 del cube f of xn 0.08484126. After simplifying, we get the value p3 of 0.25 is equal to 1.188935147. Repeat once again. According to Newton backward divided difference formula, we have Pn of x equals to f of xn plus hs del f of xn plus h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of xn plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 del cube f of xn. Therefore, s equals to x minus xn by h equals to 0.25 minus 0.5 by 0.5 equals to 0.5. For n equals to 1, p1 of x is equal to f of xn plus hs del f of xn. p1 of 0.25 equals to 1.2943767 plus 0.5 into minus 0.5 into 0.3915288. After simplifying, we get the value p1 of 0.25 equals to 1.1964945 for n equals to 2. p2 of x equals to p1 of x plus h by 2 h square by 2 factorial s into s plus 1 del square f of x and put x equals to 0.25. p2 of 0.25 equals to 1.1964945 plus 0.5 whole square by 2 factorial under 2 minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 into 0.22068876. After simplifying, we get the value p2 of 0.25 equals to 1.189597976 for n equals to 3. p3 of x is equal to p2 of x plus h cube by 3 factorial s into s plus 1 into s plus 2 del cube f of xn. put x equals to 0.25, P3 of 0.25 equals to P2 of x 1.189597996 plus h cube by 3 factorial. H cube అంటే 0.5 whole cube by 6 into minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 plus 1 into minus 0.5 plus 2 into 0.08484126. After simplifying, we get the value P3 of 0.25 equals to 1.188935147.